Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can start using Barakah breaks. We click on Get Started. Here I'm using my personal account. You can get started directly or you can create an account, and we do recommend you to create an account. I'm going to show you how you can do so shortly. So first thing that you are going to see is this window where you can set up your focus cycle. A focus cycle is simply a series of focus sessions separated by short breaks. And when we finish all focus and break sessions, we are going to have a long break. By default, we have 4 focus sessions of 25 minutes separated by breaks of 5 minutes. And when we finish all the focus sessions, we are going to have a long break of 15 minutes. You can customize things as you wish if you want to have longer focus sessions and break sessions. And you can also modify the number of sessions per cycle. Once done, you click on Start Cycle. Now you are going to see your first focus session here. You can see a timer and a little motivation. You can reset the focus session if you wish. You can pause it. And you can skip it. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to skip things. Once you skip or once you finish a focus session, you are going to be directed to the Quran reader. Here I'm directed to Surah Al-Furqan because this was my last reading surah. So you can see here the timer for the break. You can pause, reset, and you can extend it by 1 minute or extra if you want to take that break to finish a surah, for example. Now, for the Quran reader, you can see here the verses. You can play them.
تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده ليكون للعالمين نذيرا.
You can bookmark the verses that you want to refer back to, and you are going to find them here in bookmarks. You can also copy your verse if you wish. You can see the translation here. And you can set a specific verse as your last read position, as you can see here. A few other things you can do is to modify the view, so you can have it full page or line by line. I personally prefer line by line. You can adjust the font size and the translation font size and toggle this translation also. Once you are done with your break, where you are going to read Quran, you can go and start your next focus session until you finish your cycle. So here, when I finish my focus session, I'm gonna start directly from the last position I left, and we are tracking things. So you don't have to explicitly set it as your last reading position. It can be tracked as you are tracking your cursor position and how much time are spending at each verse. Now let me just skip this break, skip this focus session, this break, the last focus session, and the last long break. Now you can set up your second focus session and keep going on until you finish your tasks for the day. We do have another tab called Bookmarks where you can see your last reading position if you want to have it here, and you can see your recently saved verses. So these are some of the verses I was saving for the sake of this tutorial. And here you do have a nice dashboard where you can see your focus time over the week or over the day or over the month with progress trend. You can see your current streak, focus minutes for today, the number of pages read for today, and some other statistics right here. A cool thing is that you can have your dark node if you want. And you can create an account. So you can go ahead and create an account directly or sign in with Quran.com. But if you don't wish to, then we are saving things in your local web storage. So that's it. Hopefully it's intuitive. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us an email. We have put our official email in the website and under this video. Thank you.